Yo, what's up? So, what up to? Shout out to you, man. We are about to let's check USDCAD. We are still on. Yesterday I did some. Okay, it was Wednesday. So now we are on USDCAD. So we'll be touching USDCAD. Moving on to oil, US oil. So yeah, let's analyze this thing now. So we are on the daily chart, right? We're on the daily chart. First of all, I want to separate the dates and see if I can get something out of this or try to explain some little details there and there. So the line I'm putting there is the starting of this year, which is 2021. So now, since 2021 have started, we have seen USD struggling to break out of that trend line there. We've seen is struggling to break out of that trend line there. What do I mean? Meaning that even now we can see we had our third touch on that trend line, and we're expecting once this candlestick closed below here, we're expecting more sales. We're expecting the market to go down up to this level here. Up to this level here, 1.23769. So with an arrow, I can represent it like this. So meaning that we're expecting it to come to this point. Yeah, so which is pretty clear, and if you know the basics or you've done your researches, and you can see that the signal is correct. However, for some other reason, if you are in this position or you've entered your positions, your TP1 should be here at 1.24744. Why? Because we had a previous level of support there, and this should be your TP1. Or once the market have moved in your direction, put your stop loss to break even. Don't make mistakes or take it into profit. So now on the USDCAD, you can check. We know that USDCAD goes in hand with oil. It goes in hand with oil. The reason, some reasons behind those things is because Canada is one of the biggest oil producers, right? And one of the biggest oil exporters to the US, right? Meaning that, and as you can see, meaning that when USD goes up, or okay, let me put it this way: when oil prices goes up, USD go down. In a simple chart form, when oil goes up, like when you open your trading view and you open your oil chart, when you see it going down, automatically you will know that if this one, the oil is going up, it means the USD pair is selling. So those are the core fundamentals or the base fundamentals that were laid down, or which carries the pair, these two pairs. So now, how can we verify this? Now we have seen that since the start of 2021, we've been in a downtrend. The only thing on the USD that was happening is pullback, take off, pullback, take off. Now we are on a pullback right now. So now let's check. Let's quickly check out oil prices so that we can see if we can relate to, or we can see some relationship there. Now, on the blue line here on the chart, looking on the chart, we have a blue line in the middle of the chart here, a straight blue line, a vertical blue line. That's the starting of 2021. And we can see that since the starting of 2021, oil has been going up. Compared to Usdcad, it has been going down. Now, first we can see that is true. So now, let's compare it to price, the current price action, or price levels, not action. So now we can see that comparing it to the movement which is happening right now on oil, it might not be clear, but we can see that when Usdcad was doing a pullback that side, we have seen the pullback which touched the trend line. Oil was going down on this one. Now we have seen oil was going down on this trend line, was going down from here. Oil was going down. That side where oil was going up. So which makes it clear. So now we have seen that on the chart, on the Usdcad chart, we are in a currently bearish candlestick which hasn't closed yet. And if you check your oil, we are still on the bullish candlestick which hasn't closed yet, meaning the two pairs usually does the opposite. This one does the opposite of that, and that one do the opposite of this one. So, which is pretty clear. Reason is because Canada is one of the biggest oil producers in the world, and most of its oil, it exports it to the US, and it is the major exporter of oil in the US, meaning that so when you compare, meaning that the higher the more oil is exported to the US, which is more, it is more like there's demand, meaning that the prices of oil, that's what they go up. Meaning if the US needs more oil, there's more demand, prices of oil goes up, and you on the chart you have Usdcad, meaning that naturally economically on the pair, USD has more power. So now when you have the US exporting more oil, importing more oil from Canada. So it means USD is the base, and you have USD as the base currency there. It means USD must go down. I don't know if it makes sense. It means USD must go down, explaining that or showing that the Canadian dollar is gaining more power than the USD is weakening. That's how it's supposed to happen. So if you do your little research, you'll understand this one. But I hope it is clear. So hopefully, if you understand it now, when you check out the chat next time, you will understand that there's something deeper than just chat. There's something deeper which is behind closed doors, and these are not the only base fundamentals that moves this thing. There are still more fundamentals that are there that happen daily that causes technicals to fail sometimes. So if you take those, you take those fundamentals every day and you combine it with your technicals and what you know, and you verify with oil whenever you trade USDCAD, then you understand, and there will be less chances of being in the wrong side. So I hope this meeting makes it clear. So see you on another one, I don't know, tomorrow or maybe. So we're gonna end this one right now.